world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. SystemeIO was the easiest way for you to
sales funnels. I got everything I needed within SystemeIO and more. I tried building a sales funnel on another website builder, but it was clunky, frustrating, and every time I needed another function, I'd have to pay more money.
Marketing emails. The simplicity of integration with list management, tagging email, newsletters and campaigns, marketing automation, landing pages and file storage.
The process is super smooth and the learning curve is ridiculously small. From building your website to building an online empire, SystemeIO makes it all possible.
I have never seen such a generous offer that you can actually start your own blog, sell your own products, sell their affiliate programs, and offer your own, all on the free tier. If you're an affiliate marketer, there's no reason you shouldn't this software.
Create online courses, everything has been so easy. I have never built a membership site and a course so fast as I have with Systeme. I don't think I will
automate your marketing. Everything is integrated into a single platform, making it simpler for you to get the job done. Automating many of your tedious or repetitive operations is made easy by the marketing automation options on SystemeIO.
best kept secret in the industry. SystemeIO helps people like you to manage their online business with
The
ease.
process is super smooth and the learning curve is ridiculously small. From building your website to building an online empire, SystemeIO makes it all possible.
Our customers support team is here to help you. Within an average response time of under 2 hours, our support team will answer your questions 7 days a week.
To launch your online business, we make the whole process easier and faster so that you can focus on what's important, growing your business.